Hi guys, welcome. It's been a while, like over a week, but I feel bad that I haven't posted too much. But okay, today we are going to be making a heart-shaped cake. It's for somebody's wedding. It's like a small cake. People want nice personalized cake just to cut to celebrate their wedding. So that's what we're going to make today. It has a little bit of a vintage design. So let's get started. Okay, so first we're going to start with putting a little bit of buttercream over here, the center. So first, heart round, put it in the middle. Now we're going to be making a border. So in this one inside, they would like Nutella. Okay, so we are going to be making a white border for them first. Then this is our vegan Nutella. This is our vegan Nutella. We make our own. We have hazelnuts and chocolate. We roast them. And we make a paste out of it, and then we add it to the buttercream. Carefully spread it inside. Please make sure that you make the white border around because we don't want the Nutella to be coming outside. It has to be out only inside. The entire cake is white. Then we put our second layer. Please make sure that you align the notch, the tip, and the notch over here. Because this has a filling, I would suggest to just close it off with the white frosting so that the filling does not come out. Once you know that the gap inside has been sealed, the buttercream is trapped inside. And it's all good to go. So you see how there's like I've sealed the filling inside. Then I can go ahead and add more frosting to that. Once we have the sides, then we do the top. Do you think I should just put this in the bigger box? It's better like that. So that the base will also have enough buttercream. I don't have to do anything on the sides. there's a little change in plan. I think this cake is turning out to be too tall, so I'm gonna put it on another board that fits in a bigger box. Because the cake is cold, I'm literally just going to lift it up. Center it. Okay, now the cake also has enough space for the border and everything on the side. Yep, it's centered now. Now I'm gonna go ahead and flatten everything. And smoothing the sides. Butter on top. Smoother. Fix the notch. This is a vegan buttercream, so of course the texture and everything is very, very different. So you have to be very careful and skillful while doing this. I would say when we are doing the curve, don't underestimate the curve. Like, go follow the shape and you won't have any cake visible. But find the real center and follow the shape of the cake, and you will not have any cake visible. Following the curve on one side, follow the curve on the other side also. See, the cake is visible over here. That means I haven't placed the center in the center. The center is a little bit more to the other side. So once I move the center to the real center, I won't have any more cake visible. Okay, that's one side. Okay, so here we have fixed the shape of the heart. That's properly heart shaped now. I'm gonna clean the sides. Before starting, please make sure to take the air bubble out. Then we start from the top. Clean the tip. Okay, same thing at the bottom. Okay. The next one, I'm going to be using this small tip. Please make sure that you're using a clean tip. For the top, for this, you start from the middle. Just let it fall. press up and pull. Press up and pull down. I just took some chocolate buttercream, added black to it. Vegan buttercreams are sometimes tricky to work with, but that's what we got. See, this is okay.